Hello students, Sai Ram. Welcome back to our computer class. In the previous session, we have started with cloud computing. Chapter number 5, cloud computing. Today, we are going to see the next part, that is practical part. Before starting, I would like to tell you what do you mean by cloud computing? Cloud computing is a technology that provides resources and services over the internet. And what do you mean by cloud storage? Cloud storage is an internet service that provides storage facility to the computer users. And what are that Google Docs? Yes. So in Google Docs, we can see document, spreadsheet and presentation. Document means it's like MS Word. It allows you to create fully featured rich documents. And whereas spreadsheet, that is MS Excel, it looks like MS Excel. It allows you a basic manipulation and formatting of spreadsheets, adding charts and the use of formulas. And last is presentation. Presentation means PPT. It enables you to create professional presenting looking presentations. Presentations means what? PPT. It enables you to create professional looking presentations. Okay, so these three are the online, that is Google Docs. With the help of internet, you can do this. And you can share the presentations, you can share the Excel sheets, you can share the documents with any user ID. Now, let's see the practical sessions.
Now I will show you how to start Google Docs. First, you have to open the Google and you can see the sign in option here. When you click on the sign in button, you can choose the Gmail account. Click on the next and write the password. Now you can see the Google Apps. These 9 dots, when you move the cursor over here, you can see the Google Apps. When you click this will show the Google Apps. Now I want to click on the Docs, Google Documents. When you click on this area shows you the template gallery, which includes blank and pre-designed documents. Now I will choose the blank document. When you choose the blank document, it will open. As you know, MS Word, it displays like MS Word. The difference is that in MS Word, whichever you type, you have to save it. Then it will be saved in your computer. But in Google Docs, whatever you type, it will be saved automatically. Now I have typed something. Okay, this will be automatically saved. And this is untitled document. I have not given any name to the document. This is this file name. And these are the tabs which you will see. File tab, edit tab, view tab. And this the document home. If you want to return back, you have to press this. You will go back to the documents. And see here. Now I came outside. This is the document home. So here I can see my file, that is untitled document opened 13.34, that is 134. When I click on this, it will get opened. So this will be saved automatically in my drive. Now how to rename this file? Simply go here and you can change the file name, or you can click on the file and click on the rename option. I want to change my file name as new file. Next, when you click here, the new file 1 file is created. Now I have typed something. Now I want to share this file to someone. For that, there is an option here, right top. When you click on the share option, then you can see here, share with people and group. To whom you want to share, you can write his ID, mail ID. And second thing, if you want to send this link through WhatsApp, through mail, you can copy the link. When you click on this copy link, the link will be copied. For example, when you click on the link, see here, this is the link which I have copied. When you open that, click on that link, the same document will be opened. So now I want to share this to someone. If I type the name, email ID, if I want to type something, you can type, then the file is attached here, and when you click on the send option, the file will be shared to the concerned person. Can you see here? Person added. Person added means this file, the file will be sent to that person, and that person can view this file. Now, same thing if you want to share to another person. So same thing, click on the share option. To n number of persons you can send. And here there is an option editor, commenter and viewer. Viewer means what? The concerned person which you are sending can only view the document. Commenter, they can comment. And editor means what? They can't edit, they can cut, copy, paste, they can edit the document. These options you can give to the concerned person. And this file will be shared through your Google Drive. Now I want to close this. Come out of this, and now I will show you how to open my Google Drive. I will close this. Click on the options 9 button, 9 dots. When you click on this, you will see the drive symbol. This is the drive symbol. When you click on the drive, you can see the list of files, videos, documents. You can see here. This above is the recent files which I have opened, and these are the folders which I have created. Now I will show you how to upload the files or folders into my drive. So this is my drive. When I open this Happy Classroom, See, there is a folder. In that folder, I can see one file, Happy Classroom. So when you go back, this is a folder. So now, if I want to create a new folder, click on the right button, New Folder. I will name the folder as New Folder October 21. When I click on this create folder, the folder will be created here. When you click on this, the folder is blank. Here you can upload the files. Now I want to upload the files. So click on the right button and click on the upload files. When you click on the upload files, then it will ask the files to be uploaded in this drive. So now which files I want to upload? So these are the files. I will show you one files. I want to upload this PPT, okay, presentation, class 8th, this presentation I want to upload in my drive. I will select this and open. Click on the button, open. Can you see here down? Uploading one file. One upload complete. Here one file is uploaded. Go back here. This is my drive. I have created a new folder. When you double click on this, you can see one file here. When I click on this, double click here. The file will be opened in Google Slides. Google Slides, it will be opened. Google Slides is nothing but presentation. Can you see this? Yeah. And next, when you open this, same thing, if you want to share, you can click on the option share, and same thing, you can send to any person, to any group, you can send, and you can give the access to them to view, open or edit. Now I have stored one file in my drive. I have created a file in my folder. Okay, in new folder October 21, I have inserted one file. Now what I want to do, in my Happy Classroom, there is one file, Happy Classroom 2. This file, I want to move this file to another folder. So for that purpose, what I will do, I will click on this option, move to, there is option, move to, click on the move to option, and where I want to move this. Okay. I want to move in new folder here. In the new folder October 21 which I have created, there I want this file. Move here. So what happens? The file will be moved in the particular folder. We'll see. We'll go to the my folder, new folder October 21. When I click here, when I click on this, see here, the file is moved from that folder to this folder. So we can move the files or folders to a respective way. In the respective way, you can move your files or folders. Now, I will show you how to delete a file. Now, I don't want this file here. Now I want to delete this. So what happens? Click here. there is an option remove. When you click on this option remove, the file, this Happy Classroom 2, this file will be deleted forever after 30 days. But this will be removed from this drive and will be kept in the bin. I will click on the move to bin. Now this, it is removed from our folder and it will be saved. It will be kept in the bin. When I click on the bin, it is present here. Now I will show you whether it is there in our folder or no. Okay, click on my drive, which is my new folder, October 21. When you click on this, you can't see the file over here because you have deleted, you have removed that. Now where it is present? It is present in bin. Okay, now you can see this. Now after some time, after some days, means before 30 days, you realize that I need that file back. So there is an option to come. See, there is an option to restore. When you click on the right button, there is an option restore. When you click on the restore option, the restored file will be showed here. And again, go back to your drive. Go back to your drive and click on the new folder. Next, again you can see your file here. Again, the file will be restored to your respective folders. Now, I want to delete it permanently. Then what you will do? Again, you will delete it, move to the bin, and after that, when you open that bin, here you can delete it permanently. Means what happened? This will be deleted forever. When you click here, it will be deleted forever. Means it will not be restored. It will be not restored. Okay. Now, next, if I want to share this folder to anyone, okay, same this folder can be shared to anyone. For example, when I click on the share option, same thing, you can type the IDs, respective person's ID, email address, and click on the option send. Otherwise, if you want to send the link through the WhatsApp, you can copy the link and you can send through email also. Okay, so here you can do this. This is the sharing the file or the folder. When you complete all this, now I will sign out of this. Click on the sign out option. The Google Drive will be closed. So whenever you will come outside your drive, you have to sign out the options because some personal files will be there. So for that reason, you have to sign out the Google Drive. So I hope you all have understood. Thank you.